Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one is a little bit of a different one, basically showcasing the next modifications for the 4Runner. So we have two products. One is from TRDJON, aka Running for Tacos. We'll leave all these links to everything down in the description, along with discount codes and videos of TRDJON's install. So this is basically starting the blackout project on the 4Runner. No more chrome. The little bit of chrome that it does have, it's basically all inside the light housing. So these are new fog lights for that. There's a little bit of chrome in there, but the housing and everything like that is black. TRDJON did a video on their 4Runner for this, so I will leave that link down in the description for you guys. I will be making one in about a week or so, maybe a week and a half, of my install version of it. So look forward to that video. But again, these are fog lights for your 4Runner. Basically just plug and play. On the back, it plugs in right there. And you are also able to do DRLs with these as well. The next product is from DRZ Off-Road. I did a light bar similar to this in my upper valence of my TRD Heritage grill, but this is going to go in the bottom portion of it with the Rago hidden light bar mounts down there, because it's very stealth black. The top one is pretty bright. It's not the brightest light bar in the world, but for the price, for the blackout look, compared to like Rigid's Midnight series or something like that, it definitely saves you quite a bit of dollars. So one more product that we do have coming from DRZ Off-Road in the future is they are going to be a distributor for the Enzo lights, so the Enzo Headlights. Super excited to try those. There's a lot of lighting companies out there now making headlights for the 4Runner, not just Morimoto anymore, or Custom 54, I believe is the name of the other brand out there, and they're like $1,000. That's a lot of money. I don't find that worth it at all for headlights. Even if they're super amazing, $1,000 is a lot of money. However, these Enzo ones, I believe, are somewhere in the ballpark of $300 to $500, so rather half the price for that. So I'm very excited to try those ones out for you guys. If you guys are excited for all these modifications, please let me know down in the comments, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.